Ask Katie's and she'll tell you right now. She is complaining that the honors class is too weak, that it's really not at honors level. So yeah, hey, you going to do this tomorrow? Are you doing the test tomorrow? For sure. Yes? Okay.
Yeah, Katie's class sounds even weaker than Sugden's last year.
No, she's a tough teacher.
Really? Because like I hear, okay, for like group quizzes and stuff before the test, she's like, okay, guys, we're going to do a group quiz.
Okay, so once again, I'm recording this session, so you guys need to really be quiet and cooperative. Okay, otherwise we won't finish, and we're going to get a lot of nonsense on YouTube there. Okay, so what we're going to do today is 8.2, which is arithmetic sequences. And then tomorrow I start out with 8.3, which is geometric sequences. I spend 2 days on that. On Thursday I start out 8.5, and on Friday you have a quiz on 8.1 through 8.3. So it's kind of getting full speed ahead, okay? Because you know that STAR testing is going to start when you come back from spring break, or week after you come back from spring break. So I got to get a lot of things done before we go off on break. So, Cole, what's the difference between a sequence and a series, Cole? Whoa, Cole. And then if you can't get it, I'll call on you. Yeah. Okay.
Series is sum of all the sequence numbers, and the sequence of having all numbers.
Good job. Okay. So yeah, a series is a sum of a sequence. Okay, a series is a sum of a sequence. So what you see there is really a sequence. And my question to you is, what do you notice there? What do you notice there? Sorry? They what? They go up by 2? Can someone state it in a different way by using the word difference? Not n minus 2, but, sorry? There's a difference of 2 between 2 consecutive terms. Okay, there's a difference of 2 between 2 consecutive terms. There's a reason why I'm using the word difference, because it's going to come into our formal definition in a minute. Take a look at the second example. What about this one? Difference of -4, really, when you think about it. Okay? -9 minus 5. It's -4. So again, in both cases, the difference between 2 consecutive terms were the same. So here's a formal definition of an arithmetic sequence. Okay? So the 2 examples that I just showed you are examples of an arithmetic sequence. So here's a formal definition of it. Okay? The convention is that it's A2 minus A1, not A1 minus A2. So if you don't follow the convention, you're going to make a mistake in the formulas that you'll be using, okay? So the formulas that I'm going to give you are consistent with the definition that it is A2 minus A1, or A10 minus A9, not A9 minus A10, okay? So please keep that in mind, okay? Please keep that in mind.
African Day, jambalaya.
Jambalaya is not African, that's West Indies. That's West Indies.
Sticks and trees bomber.
No, I'll give you Ugali bomb. Ugali bomb. Okay, so people, on Thursday and Friday we talked about writing sequences in 2 different forms. Okay, what were they called? Yeah, recursive was one, and the other one, and the functional form. So this is a functional form. Okay. And my claim to you is that this is an arithmetic sequence. Because if I do this difference, and I'm going to write it down without explaining it to you and see if you need help on that, okay? Does everybody buy that? Yeah. Amy is hell. Amy, did you go to prom? I can see prom fatigue on your face. I can see the lines of fatigueness on your face there.
It's called a hangover, dude.
Oh, it's called a hangover. Not Amy. Amy. Yeah, Amy doesn't do shit stuff. Oops, my bad. Bad stuff like that.
I was surprised by people did stuff.
Okay, so to get n minus 1, Amy, all I do is I make this n minus 1. And I get that. Okay, so then this becomes a n minus 1. So if I kind of massage this and do a little bit of math on this, everybody get a 4 out of there. Is everybody with me on this? Okay, let me pause here and have you catch up. People, listen up. So what this is saying is that if I take any two consecutive terms, okay, I haven't given n a value there. I'm saying any two consecutive terms in the sequence, I get a constant number 4, okay, which is the definition of an arithmetic sequence. So this is indeed an arithmetic sequence, okay. All right. Like we just heard earlier, Tatiana was saying that one way of writing a sequence is recursive. Well, here's the very first equation that you see there is actually writing, trying to get it out of the way. The first equation is a recursive way of writing an arithmetic sequence, and the last one is a non-recursive or functional form of an arithmetic sequence, okay? The intermediate equations in there, don't worry too much about it. I'm just using them to go from my first equation to my last equation. So what you really have to know, this, and you have to know this. Okay? Well, the good news, oh, actually the bad news, depending again which side you're looking at it from. Okay, I'm looking at it from my side. The bad news is that you will be given these equations on Friday next week. That's bad news. Yeah. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you for sympathizing with me or empathizing with me. Yeah, theoretically speaking, you shouldn't be given these equations, okay? Because in calculus AB, you're not given equations. You've got to memorize a lot of stuff in calculus. You got to memorize a lot. Regular calculus, you get everything. You get notes. You get N84, N-box, you get everything. Everything.
I'm taking regular calculus again. Only reason why.
You better behave yourself.
I won't behave myself.
Yeah, but you'll be a senior next year, so it's going to be one hell.
No, not really. My parents will still kick my ass.
Good, I'm glad. I'm glad. Huh? Oh, is that right? This is with oh, really? This is Eileen and Myra and everybody? Oh, wow, nice. Hey, Myra was trying to get a pole in there. Did she get a pole?
Oh, yeah, she's trying to get a stripper pole. We didn't get a pole. What?
She didn't get one? Was Matt on that bus?
No.
Oh, thank God.
Thank God.
Oh, is he talking about you?
Stuff about you.
Okay,